loves, happy Sunday. We're doing self-care Sunday. I already have the Olaplex conditioning, deep conditioning mask hair treatment in my hair right now. I bleached my hair twice in about 1 month. So I waited 2 weeks and I bleached it again. So, well, I got it done professionally, but it is more drier. So now I have to put more nourishing like masks and oils and things to my hair to bring it back to healthy again, because of course it's a little on the drier side. So right now I have a mask in. I think I might want to sleep with it on, honestly. It's already kind of drying out, and maybe it's good to just keep it in and then wash it out in the morning. And also I heard putting oil in your hair and putting like a head wrap and going to sleep with oil in your hair just keeps it oily longer. And that could also be good for getting that moisture back quicker. But yeah, so for this week, our self-care is the hair mask, and I want to do a foot mask for today. So this one is from Amazon. This is Keratin Socks Premium Foot Mask. So we're going to open it, take it out. It's going to come in a pack of 2. We'll tear it. So now there's 2 socks. We are going to open it up and stick our feet. It's always cold and sticky, but then just get past that part. And then there's like a tape thing that you can take off and then like kind of like tuck it and then like stick it. But this is still uncomfortable, so I always just use an old sock. This one has grips on the bottom, so it's easy to walk in and not slide. And then it just covers the whole plastic bag and nothing spills, and it's cozy still. That's one of the hacks I've been doing. Again, same thing to this. We're going to just foot mask, take off the sticky. It doesn't really matter because we have the socks anyways, but if you want to take off the sticky and do that, you can. And then put the sock over it. Amazing. We can keep this on for, I believe, like an hour or less. You can even sleep with it if you want to, because the socks, oh, it says 10 to 20 minutes for this mask. The hair mask, of course, I think it's like an hour or it's like 30 minutes, but like the longer you have the hair mask in, the more nourishing your hair is. So we have 2 masks for this self-care. You guys could even do like face masks for this Sunday. I also have my eyebrow oil, which I've been doing every night. This is, it's a castor oil. So I have like one line of a spot, like a line that's like less hair right here. And so I want to get this to be my natural eyebrows all the way filled. So yeah, I've been putting this oil on them. So I actually have an oil mask on, but I'm doing it every single night. And yeah, so that is for self-care today. I hope you guys enjoyed and you guys use this video right now to inspire you to do something to take care of yourself. I also did do removal of hair earlier today. So just doing anything to yourself by taking care of yourself, looking more, you know, put together, clean cut, and just working on not only our image, but from the inside out. This is self-care. And now we're gonna jump into a massage gun session and yoga sculpt stretch. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.